So I'm openly and proudly gay, and that's what I define myself as. Nikisha Shashtaku, she faces kati trolling. यति के छैन कि ओ एक्टर्सहरूले ड्रग्स गरिरहेछ आजकलको जमानामा कसले त्यो गर्दैन everyone is spending so much money to make their skin look good. They won't do things like that because on screen you look bad if you have taken drugs. Before that I was like, no, I will never join TikTok. It's just I don't like it. बच्चादेखि नै मेरो feelings थियो towards guys तर by like class 9th, I started reading up and started realizing कि
यस्ता व्यक्तिहरू जो पेशागत हिसाबमा पर्दा पछि रहेर काम गर्छन् टिकटक तथा युट्युब जस्ता माध्यमले उनीहरूको अनुहार पनि पर्दा अघि ल्याइदिएको छ र उनीहरूको अनुहार हामीलाई परिचित लाग्छ। हजुर त्यस्तै पराक्रम राणा एक परिचित अनुहार अनि परिचित नाम। उनी इन्डियामा फ्यासन स्टाइलिस्टको रूपमा काम गर्छन्। आफ्नो सेक्सुअल आइडेन्टिटीलाई सहर्ष रूपमा स्वीकार्दै सार्वजनिक गरेका उनी हाल आफूलाई भ्लगर भन्न पनि मन पराउँछन्। उनको आफ्नै नामको युट्युब च्यानल पनि छ। उनले मुम्बईमा पढ्दा भोगमा इन्टर्न गर्ने मौका पाएका थिए। ब्याचलर्समा मास कम्युनिकेसन गरेका पराक्रमले प्रियङ्का चोपडा र मनीषा कोइराला लगायत थुप्रै बलिउड सेलेब्सलाई स्टाइल गराइसकेका छन्। आज उनी कार्यक्रममा उनको पपी लभ, सेक्सुअल आइडेन्टिटीका कुरा, स्टाइल स्टेटमेन्टका कुरा अनि अन्य रोचक कुराहरू खुलेर सेयर गर्दैछन्। Let's welcome पराक्रम राणा।
Thank you so much.
So TikTokमा you're very popular, eh?
हजुर।
Okay, like why TikTok? कसरी यो प्लेटफर्ममा चाहिँ एकदमै लोभ लाग्यो प्लेटफर्म जाउँ ट्राई गरौँ जस्तो लाग्यो त।
So you were 2019 ma before I came to Nepal it was something which was really growing and I was like before that I was like, no, I will never join TikTok. It's just I don't like it. That 2019 I was like, video editing and that's something growing up as a kid. I would always edit videos while others would play sports. So I knew how to edit videos and things. So I was like, let me use this. I'm a content creator. Let me try making video. It's more fun than just posting pictures. So I started and it started slow in India. Ani Nepal aipachi then lockdown bhayo. Then there was family members. There was more space to do things. There were more people around who I could make videos with. And it just took off. It just blew off and...
So first में TikTok भयो अनि bloggingमा जानु भएको?
मेरो blogging थियो. Last 2 years I've been blogging Instagram, but I've been earning money. That's my source of income is through Instagram. And this TikTok was a new platform. Unfortunately, it's banned in India, so I can't do much there. But for now, I'm loving it. Yeah,
okay. Okay. So let's talk about the identity.
हजुर।
है एट द एन्ड अफ द डे हामी काम गर्छौँ हामी जन्मिसके पछाडि एउटा आइडेन्टिटी को पछाडि हामी दौडिरहन्छौँ बिट एनीवन फ्रम एलजिबिटिआइक्युए ओर स्ट्रेट होइन सो वाट इज यर आइडेन्टिटी हाउ डु यु वान्ट डिफाइन इट ओर यु डोन्ट वान्ट डिफाइन इट यु वान्ट जस्ट किप इट
So I'm openly and proudly gay and that's what I define myself as.
सो डु यु रियली थिङ्क नेपालमा चाहिँ योसँग रिलेटेड कुराहरू साँच्चै नै बाहिर आइरहेको छ एन्ड युर भेरी ह्याप्पी टु सी पिपल एडमिटिङ द्याट दे आर नट स्ट्रेट
Slowly, I think social media like garda people are being more aware. They're reading up more and getting educated, and it's helping. Acceptance wise, our society it's deep rooted where they don't accept. They are not happy, comfortable. Also because it's difficult for people like us to face the outer world because of all the stereotypes and the bullying and discrimination that we face. So that's understandable, but improve bhairacha. We have a long way to go, but thanks to social media and the internet, I think many more people are getting a platform to come out and speak up and just understand themselves better.
Do you sing Nepali song? I know you have been doing like TikTok मा त नेपाली song मा हैन
No, I don't sing.
with your family हैन मज्जाले गरिरहनु भयो हुन्छ कुन चाहिँ like गीत you remember?
So many kati ram new songs to Lajavati Jhar kasto nice, it was so beautiful. And this Barsha Raut ko Aao Wara aile recent chali raha cha.
Barsha Raut हैन Aao Wara मा त Achal Sharma
होइन Barsha Raut हो.
Oh my god, I thought Achal
That's Lajavati ma.
Okay, Lajavati ma.
Barsha Raut Aao Wara ani
Okay, this one.
That fun one. And kati lovely ones and त्यो Chatta Rumal also is fun. Basically, I've always liked these songs and then now TikTok I enjoy doing Nepali songs instead of Hindi because I'm like Hindi ko ta banao. Not I love the songs, but I don't want to act. But Nepali गानामा मजा आउँछ, feel आउँछ.
सो यहाँले कहिले भिडियोमा कसैले अप्रोच गर्नु भएको छ लाइक किनकि आजकल सोसियल इन्फ्लुएन्सरलाई चाहिँ मेन स्ट्रिम कुनै पनि प्लेटफर्ममा लिएर आउने चलन चलेको छ किनकि उहाँहरूको धेरैजना हुनुहुन्छ भ्युवर्स भनेर होइन त्यसले अप्रोच गर्नु भएको छ
Approach the गरेको छैन, but many of my fans have been like, why don't you do a music video? I'm like, no. I'm very conscious. Camera ko agari, I'm very conscious. If it's like a team and direction and I have to act, I can't do it. I run away. I've literally like been forced by my friends in Bombay to audition for.
We are from privileged group होइन in a way we can say you
Privileged
are so त्यो वेमा भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ कहिलेकाहीँ यसो सोच्नु भएको छ अलिकति लो ग्रेड भन्दाखेरि पनि जसको इकोनोमिक स्टेटस त्यति राम्रो छैन एज कम्पेरिजन टु रिच पिपल यो एलजिबिटी आइक्यूलाई लिएर अलिक त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ बढी प्रब्लम छ अथवा हाई सोसाइटीमा पनि छ व्हाट डु यु वान्ट टु से
I think high society मा पनि छ. India होस् कि जाओस्, any big families उनीहरूको कति pressure हुन्छ कि if you come out, your whole family को इज्जत जान्छ. So they also have pressure. However, obviously it's always more difficult for people who are less privileged because उहाँहरूको त they don't have any other choice. They're thrown out of the house. They need to be dependent on their family completely. Whereas people like me, like because of the upbringing and the studies and the education I have, I can, even if I'm thrown out of the house, I can at least make my, own mark and like survive. But it's more difficult definitely for people from like who have less economic status. It's difficult for everyone, I have to say it, but it's improving hopefully.
तपाईँको आफ्नै पर्सनल कुरा गर्नु पर्दाखेरि when did you explore that your identity in fact how did you explore that
बच्चादेखि नै मेरो feelings थियो towards guys that by like class 9th I started reading up and started realizing कि I think I only like guys, which means that I'm gay. And I always thought कि it's okay to have a girl. I mean, it's normal to have a girlfriend and that's how it goes. And I tried having a girlfriend and I was very in love with the fact that I have a girlfriend and all. But later when I just like thought to myself, I was like, I don't have any attraction towards the girl. It's like she's like a friend. So that's when I realized that yeah, I've always liked guys and yeah, that's me.
So how did you get familiar with this term gay?
This was always there. I grew up being bullied. Gay, you're gay, this, that. So most of the people from our community get bullied because of our behavior and things. So I was always bullied and I grew up being like, oh no, I can't be gay. I was in a boys' school also, so it's more of a taboo there.
Okay,
so,
it was a boys' school?
Yeah, all boys school,
God.
which I enjoyed because it was all boys, but also the bullying was there.
Yeah. Big time bullying.
Big time bullying, and especially because I acted a little effeminate and different, so people couldn't digest that, but I think by class 9th, I was mature enough to tell myself that, okay, I am gay. Keep quiet now because you're in a boys' boarding school. You don't want a scandal to happen because back then, even now, I think it's a big issue if you come out when you are so young.
You didn't tell it outly?
No, only to myself. It's only like class 11th when I was like 15, 16, I told my best friend and then slowly I opened up.
Okay. So, archaic English ma gay ko meaning bhaneko चाहिँ like happy पनि हुन्छ हैन is it because you people are always happy that's why this term is
I think so I hope so yeah
त्यस्तो लाग्छ actually
you're always happy and
jolly mood ma हैन
I think our personality is very happy like jolly but no I'm sure I mean we do suffer a lot and we face so much discrimination but I think that's a way of
it is because of the mindset we have the traditional society भएको कारणले गर्दा mindset ले गर्दा हो it might take time हैन तर family acceptance को कुरा गरौँ family लाई चाहिँ कहिले भन्नु भयो and how did you confess it to them
So I think right before I was getting done with school, मेरो 12th को 1-2 महीना बाकी थियो and I knew कि अब म बॉम्बे गइरहेछु to fulfill my dreams and just be free and I was like this is the time to tell my parents and then one day I was just very upset and I was crying over something and I was like I need to tell my parents they deserve to know and this I told them. I was very lucky because they were very supportive and they're like we're very proud of you. They're like just come out of school, you have 2 more months in all boys school, maybe just because you've only been around boys, you haven't had any other attraction or experience with women. I said I respect their opinion, but let me tell you, I am gay, but I will come out to the world once I go out to Bombay. So I went to Bombay 1-2 months and then I told everyone and my parents were fine with that.
They were not strict, they strict सजिलै भयो भन्नुलाई
सजिलो भयो. Of course they were worried because like we face so much discrimination and then family talking this that but I told myself like if my parents accept me I don't care about anyone else.
यहाँले एउटा स्टेटमेन्ट भन्नुभयो सर्टेन टाइम पछि बिकज युआर फ्रम अल बोइज स्कुल यु माइट फेल समथिङ लाइक द्याट युआर एट्र्याक्टेड टु बोइज नट गर्ल्स होइन एउटा हुन्छ नि प्रेसर त भयो नि एट सम पोइन्ट दे वान्ट मी टु नट टु बी गे उहाँले त्यो भन्ने त्यो प्रेसरमा हुनुहुन्थ्यो
maybe
कुनै पोइन्टमा
होइन
गएर
बिकज उनीहरूले थाहा छ कति बुलिङ कति डिफिकल्टिज हुन्छ इभन टिल today's date I may make a video TikTok video there'll always be people commenting chakka this that you know horrible this that kasto acting garira so being a parent they do get worried and you know so from like under se they must be like maybe he's not but apart from that if you are and then they just need to be proud of it because you know it's a difficult it is tough to come out for anyone even for me it has been tough mero family ma I was the first one to come out and hamro family ma kati cultures customs like any other Nepali family huncha so it was a big taboo but no one could say anything to me because my parents were fine and then my grandparents were okay so then no one could say anything to me they could just speak behind
yeah exactly अब पछाडी त जसको पनि कुरा काट्छन् हैन so we should not think about that at all र अर्को कुरा अब जेन्डर सेन्सिटिभिटी कुरा गरौँ तपाई मास मिडिया पनि पढ्नु भएको नेक्स्ट थिङ युर ब्लगिङ हैन र अहिले एलजीबीटीआईक्यू लाई लिएर समाजमा हुन त एक्सेप्टेन्स दिन्छन् एट सम पोइन्ट गएर तर कहिलेकाहीँ शब्दले पनि हर्ट हुन्छ के अनि फेरि अगाडिको मान्छेलाई थाहा पनि हुँदैन होला के भन्ने त उसलाई कसरी हुन्छ नि इन्टरेक्ट गर्ने होइन हि और सी बाहेक अरू टर्म युज गर्ने कि नगर्ने होइन गयो भने के गर्ने अनि आई रिमेम्बर यु वर पोस्टिङ समथिङ राइट आई फरगट एक्चुली 2 days back you posted something something like
paralingic is a term for transgender that they've termed यो नयाँ term they've termed because पहिला transgender को लागि the only term was third gender and third gender means nor male nor female now transgender woman is a woman transgender man is a man you can't call them a third gender you can call them transgender woman you know what I mean but third gender is a term jo you know doesn't make sense and in the beginning हामी नेपालमा we were like oh wow हाम्रो एउटा others options छ but technically I think it isn't too respectful or like too thoughtful towards the transgender and intersex community
किनभने अझ पनि त्यहाँभित्र अरू भेग कुराहरू अझै छन् हामीले सर्फेसियल हेरेर एउटा भयो भने पनि अझ डेन्स छ यो कुरा हामीले स्टुडेन्टलाई पनि कन्फ्युज हुन्छ कि के मात्र हो भनेर होइन सेट गर्दा गर्दै सो यो पारलैङ्गिक होइन सो यो चाहिँ एउटा जेन्डर सेन्सिटिभिटीलाई लिएर स्पेसली कसैलाई बोलाउँदा सम्बोधन गर्दा भनौँ न के युज गर्ने त हामी कहीँ कार्यक्रममा गयो भने लेडिज एन्ड जेन्टलमेन भन्छौँ त्यो भन्दाखेरि डु यु फिल लाइक देयर मिसिङ आउट वान अफ यु ओर
डेफिनेटली आई थिङ्क सो नाउ नो एक्चुअली इनफ्याक्ट when you said it now I'm like you're right ladies and gentlemen you're not talking about others I think we need to scrap that out and just say humans people of the world welcome each and everyone definitely yeah I think we need to be more sensitive now social media like I said le garda people are learning so much and people shouldn't back away ki डर छ मान्छेहरु कि न हामी के न भनोस् backfire होला no read up learn things you may make mistakes that we'll teach you and when we teach you then you learn and then that's how one learns
ओके यो लर्निङ प्रोसेसको कुरा गर्दाखेरि एलजीबीटीआईक्यू को कम्युनिटी पनि छ हैन हाउ एक्टिभ यु आर इन नेपालमा
Nepal I've been very active because you know I felt that there have been so many people who are speaking up about their rights and I've been here in Nepal I'm here for such a short time and I've had time to read up and understand about what is going on so I've been very vocal here in Nepal in India it's going on there's so many people speaking up so I'm one of the fish in the pond but here I guess there are fewer people speaking so I feel more responsible and more like I feel like I need to speak up more so I've been speaking up quite a lot here being vocal
okay so आजकल चाहिँ हामीले सोशल मिडिया एकदमै धेरै हेर्छौँ हैन त्यो बेलामा चाहिँ सानो बच्चा पनि भल्नरेबल छ हैन त्यसलाई लिएर अब तपाईहरुको कम्युनिटीको मान्छेहरुले कसरी डिल गरिरहनु भएको छ अघि भन्नु भयो नि दे युज फाउल ल्याङ्ग्वेजेस हैन तपाईहरुलाई कमेन्ट गर्ने बेलामा सो त्यसले हर्ट हुन्छ र आफूलाई कसरी तयार पार्ने त एलजीबीटीआईक्यू को व्यक्तिहरुले
I think vulnerable त हामी धेरै छ and especially people who are coming out who are understanding themselves internet ma you know in TikTok I see so many young people who are from my community maybe they haven't come out but they're trying to understand themselves be themselves मान्छेहरुले टोक्छ के हो यो कस्तो बिहेभियर हो दिस दैट अनि vulnerable छ किनभने उहाँको पेरेन्ट्सहरुले सपोर्ट गर्दैन कि उहाँले they don't involve their parents because they're like हो किन हेर यिनीहरुले यो भनिराछ कि किन केटी जस्तै कि यस्तो बिहेभ गरिराछ so they are by themselves they don't have any support system. So, and they're young, the vulnerable hunsa, they're very vulnerable in fact, and there's no one to tell them what is right, what is wrong. So
In that case, how do you prepare them? I mean, those
them.
who are from
So whenever I see like people from my community like post videos, and I know that there's good, and I see a lot of comments, I know there's hate, and I make sure that I comment something good, a positive thing, and I guess being verified account, it gives some kind of leeway where people see and they're like, okay, my comment gets highlighted. They're like, okay, there's someone appreciating
Appreciating
them,
it,
which
okay.
needs to be appreciated. So I try my best whenever I see people who need it, need the love and need the support, and just need to know that what they're doing is right. Ani, live your life. You're living your life to the fullest, which is very brave, especially people from our community, if they get to do that. So yeah, I try my best to encourage them in whatever way I can.
पछिल्लो पटक यहाँले कुनै यस्तो केसहरू सोसियल मिडियाबाट थाहा पाउनु भएको एलजिबिटिआइक्यू कम्युनिटीको कोही व्यक्तिहरूलाई नराम्रो भनिएको कुनै यहाँले-
Nikisha Shashtaku, she faces kati trolling. People still call her Nikesh, jabki, she's changed her name to Nikisha. But यहाँ मान्छे just don't understand. They're so garo bhaira, they're understanding what is gay and lesbian. That transgender ko kura aune, they're like, ke ho? बुझेन किन केटा जस्तै किन properly transition भएको छैन किन यो हो. They question them and try to ask them why you're not fully like a girl or fully like a boy, whereas they don't understand कि कति गाह्रो हुन्छ. Like Nikisha, she's from a background where the family is not supportive and she's not privileged, and the family doesn't allow her to fully transition, in the sense that she's not allowed to grow her hair fully. She's not allowed to dress up as a woman all the time because the family said, we'll throw you out of the house.
Yeah.
So त्यो गर्दा she can't. But people should be understanding, people are like, hey, किन केटा जस्तै लुगा लाएर त केटा हो कि केटी. And the trolling is just crazy. And recently पनि कस्तो someone had made a video where they were trolling her in public, and
पुलिस केस नै भएको थियो.
police case ne bhaat थियो, and it was quite disturbing. Hopefully there will be a lot of people who spoke up. I also spoke up about this matter, and I urged so many celebrities to speak up, and they also spoke up. And so I mean, at least it brings awareness to people that if you make fun of people from our community, you aren't going to get away easy. You will get a saza. And police was also there to make sure that action was taken. Those people did learn the lesson, but the thing is, one needs to education is system त्यस्तो हुनु पर्छ कि you grow up learning कि these things are very normal and there's nothing wrong in it.
ओके सो अघि भनिहाल्नु भयो यहाँ त सोसियल इन्फ्लुएन्सहरू पनि भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि यहाँले जे पोस्ट गर्नुहुन्छ त्यो टक अफ द टाउन भइसक्छ होइन. पहिला पो त मेन स्ट्रिम मिडिया थियो, टाइम लाग्थ्यो कसैलाई केही भन्नलाई. आजकल ओभरनाइट बनिरहेको छन् होइन. स्पेसली तपाईँहरूको केसमा चाहिँ यदि सोसियल मिडिया यति धेरै नभएको भए अलिकति जेन्डर इस्युलाई लिएर कुराहरू सम्झाउनको लागि सजिलो हुने, परिवारहरूलाई पनि धेरै इफेक्ट नपर्ने हुन्थ्यो. किनभने जसले पनि सोसियल मिडिया चलाउँछ अनि कसैले आफ्नो छोराछोरीलाई के भनिरहेछ भनेर उनीहरूले पनि हेर्न मिल्छ. त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ पेरेन्ट्स हर्ट हुन्छ. अनि पेरेन्ट्स हर्ट भइसके पछाडि एउटा कन्डिसन निस्किन्छ सक्छ होइन. यहाँलाई लाग्छ यो सोसियल मिडियाले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ अलि बढी चाहिँ समस्या भएको. It's not like a friend but much like a foe.
Yeah, for sure. Just as much as it is a friend, it is also a foe, because like you said, vulnerable people can be exposed to cyberbullying, so many things. Aajkal, at least hamro part of the world ma there is censorship banda pani, like kids can watch TikTok, which is actually kind of dangerous. I mean, if you don't have parental guidance, you can watch videos where ke bhaira cha, so there needs to be a lot of control in terms of बच्चाहरूले के हेर्न सक्छ अनि कसले के हेर्न सक्छ. तर not censorship, because I think we should be allowed to express ourselves in any way, but like the guidance for children, definitely there has to be some law where it's more strict.
Okay, let's talk about some cine celebs or any celebs from Nepal होइन. बाहिर पनि तपाईँले काम गर्नुभएको छ. यहाँनिर नेपालमा चाहिँ who do you know personally or who do you follow कुनै celebs हुन सक्छ नेपालबाट?
There are many of the female actors and personalities.
स्टाइलको बेसिसमा who do you remember? Take 5 names that you remember.
Stylish people who I know or remember.
Remember, like even if you do not know them personally.
Okay.
Style भनेबित्तिकै नेपालमा यो मान्छे स्टाइलिश छ टाइप.
I think I find Samragi very stylish. Anna Sharma is very stylish. Priyanka Karki, she's always very pretty, looking good, dressed up well. Who else is there? Aditi Burathoki. I like her style as well. And Paramita, I think she's very stylish. She's got good fashion
Okay, can you
sense.
please pick 5 of them whose style has to be worked on?
Who's it? I can't think of, honestly, I think everyone is very good because Nepal, everyone dresses up very well. So that'll be very rude to say.
Modesty though, I know.
Modesty, honestly, I can't think of people. If I don't like the style, then I just forget about them. I don't see
Okay.
much. But everyone is stylish in Nepal. Ma. You go on the road, you go anywhere in a village, the people dressed up so well.
ओके सो तपाईँलाई अलिकति सेन्स छ स्टाइलको किनकि केही टाइम इन्डियामा स्टाइलको काम गर्नुभएको भएर विन्टर चाहिँ स्टाइलको लागि लिएर एकदमै गाह्रो टाइम हो होइन सो हाम्रो अडियन्सलाई के सजेस्ट गर्नुहुन्छ विन्टरको टाइममा चाहिँ हाउ टु
मलाई त honestly लाग्छ कि विन्टरको टाइममा इट्स फन स्टाइलिङ किनभने इट्स सो कोल्ड यु क्यान वेयर 1 2 3 4 layers समर्समा इट्स अ टी-शर्ट एन्ड शॉर्ट्स टी-शर्ट एन्ड प्यान्ट्स when it's winters I'm like yeah I can layer myself so I think just layer yourself make sure that it conforms to your body it suits your body and most importantly confident host but layer yourself enjoy the layers Kathmanduमा यति चिसो छ पोखरामा anyway most of the places in Nepal it's like cold okay so enjoy layering yourself I guess and then you can also put on some
keep
weight and
yourself
not see
warm
keep
and
yourself
you'll be
warm.
stylish
yeah, keep yourself warm you'll be
विन्टरमा
stylish.
ओके सो अलिकति नराम्रो स्टाइल लाग्ने के छ
कहाँ यहाँ नराम्रो लाग्ने style is that people wearing fake brands I feel I've never understood I feel like I love brands but I will never buy fake because also it's the industry like it's giving money to which is supplying drugs and ammunition this fake brands clothes so that's why I don't believe in it and also I'm like see if you like brands and you really save up money and buy it otherwise don't buy a fake one there's so many bina brand bhako lugaru like this
Ramri
no
pani.
brand it's like Hong Kong brand or something Nepal ma pako it's lovely but I don't have to have a fake Gucci brand that's being a stylist I'm just like oh I'm a little particular I'm like oh no you're the and there's some celebrities also who have seen where I'm like this is not real and I'm like and so I'm like I think don't wear
don't promote fake branding
yeah don't promote fake branding don't wear any brand it's better just stylish luga huni parcha
सो ब्रान्ड बिना पनि स्टाइलिस देख्न सकिन्छ ओके सो नेपालमा मुभी हेर्नुहुन्छ हुँदैन
मुभी त्यति हेर्दैन म्युजिक भिडियोज धेरै हेर्छु मुभिज somehow I've been disappointed with most of the movies at least the ones जसको म्युजिक भिडियोज राम्रो छ but
लास्ट टाइम नेपाली मुभी कुन हेर्नु
last time मैले हेरेको was very nice actually it was अरे what is it kabaddi होइन kabaddi
ओके कबड्डी or कबड्डी
the first one the first part long time back त्यो पछि I watched 1 2 त्यो chick flick films music videos and all कस्तो राम्रो देखेको but the film the direction I think something went wrong with the direction all the time it goes wrong but kabaddi just the films haru kasto ramro huncha and I'm sure there are many films like that which I haven't watched but kabaddi Sungava just the films are really interesting
ओके सो नेपालमा कस्तो खालको फिल्म बन्छ कस्तो खालको बन्नुपर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ
I think budget is never important only thing that needs to be worked upon is direction किनभने actors are great visuals the हाम्रो country kasto ramro cha in any part of Nepal it just looks beautiful I think the end result is what matters direction bhayera pani sometimes editing garbad huncha ani kaile dialogue delivery ramro hunna maybe the dubbing is something actors aren't taught or they don't focus on because they're focusing on acting and looking good so tyo ali ki garera those are the few things that need to be fixed apart from that I think we are doing well
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please press the bell icon.